Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to be showing you what to do when Claude AI isn't generating any responses. So I'm logged into Claude right now. As you can see from my screen, I'm going to type in a quick prompt here. What's a good hobby to pick up at home? And let's say for example it shows you the Claude logo but it doesn't show you any response. The first thing you're going to want to do is you want to go to a new tab and you want to type status.claude.com. And what this does is it shows you the server status for Anthropic, which is the company behind Claude. So right now you can see everything is operational. So it's unavoidable that sometimes there are going to be outages, as you can see from these orange and red and yellow bars. There's major outages, partial outages. Sometimes it's unavoidable that Anthropic will experience outages, and this is simply because of the sheer amount of demand as well as operating costs. But if everything is operational, then that's a good sign. So the next thing you're going to want to do is go back to that original tab. And if it's still not generating a response, my tip is you want to make sure that you have a copy of your prompt. So let's say, for example, you gave it a large prompt. You want to copy that to your clipboard in the event that it somehow disappears or gets deleted when you refresh the page. And when we refresh the page, we don't do it normally. We're going to want to do a hard refresh. And to do a hard refresh, all we have to do is on our keyboard, we're going to hit Control, Shift, and R. And once that's done, hopefully by the time it loads back, it's going to pick up where it left off. And if it doesn't, you can go ahead and paste your prompt back into the conversation and continue where you left off. Additionally, if the hard refresh doesn't exactly fix the problem, another thing you can do is to make sure that you don't have any browser extensions interfering with the website. So you can check your extensions here. If you're on Google Chrome, it's at the top right. I have a long screenshot generator, I have a chat backup for WhatsApp, and then I have a bunch of other extensions here. And sometimes if you, for example, install a new extension and then Claude suddenly stops working, that might be the culprit, and you might want to click on this context menu here at the right side of the extension and click on Remove from Chrome. Another thing that might be causing the issue is some browser instability. So if Claude doesn't work with one browser, for example, I'm using Google Chrome in this case, you might want to switch something to like Mozilla Firefox temporarily, just to make sure that the browser isn't what's causing it to stop working. So now hopefully if you've gone through all those steps and can taken my advice, Claude should start working normally. So that's going to be it for this video. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.